Hello, I'm truly glad you joined me today because today we're going to do something a little bit different and I believe you're going to really enjoy this one. Just wherever. And these little sticks and twigs help add detail to your painting. So add them in. The more the merrier. You'll really like them. They'll pay great dividends. There's a tree. Maybe this one's dead. Sometimes people write me letters and they don't like the fact that I put dead trees in the painting. But when I go to the woods, I see dead trees. Here, maybe there's a tiny little bloop. Yep, there you're right. A little waterfall lives right there. Just a tiny one. Just coming over that little protrusion.
Where you want it?
Bay 12, please.
Ow!
Little sticks and twigs. Just to put some dirt in here. Back in there. All kinds of pretty little things happening way back in the distance. Maybe there's even one that goes back there.
I have a Class 2 rating.
That's all.
I see dead trees. I think it's part of nature. But if you don't want dead trees in your painting, then leave them out. Good. Maybe back over here you can make out some little things that are happening. White on it. And maybe back in here, maybe there's some little ripples happening. This is quite small. I've got a little more paint. Maybe it comes right on down. Or if you don't want a stream in your world, don't put it in. I tell you what, sometimes it just get brave. Maybe there's an old tree that's a little more thinner. See, if it doesn't flow right, add more thinner. And it just bounces and plays and has fun. Let all these little things happen. Here you can make out some little things that are happening. Don't want these too distinct. These are just little indications. There's a big stone that hits back in there. There's a tree. Little bushes here. They come right down. And this brings all this together. Just bring it all together. Make a nice tree trunk. And these little sticks and twigs, I see dead trees. A lot of color, a lot of color. Okay, maybe there's some big trees that live. These trees are closer to you, so they're bigger, they're stronger, there's more detail in them. There's another one. Go on the other side over here. Maybe over here lives. Yep. A little stick right here. Deep in the woods you have all kinds of beautiful, beautiful tree limbs that happen. So don't be afraid to paint them in there. And maybe there's some little things that live right there. Put some borders on our little stream. It comes right around. Maybe it's right here. Just sort of decide, make a decision, and yep, you're right. There's a tree. We can just put an old dead stick out here. Some big old tree limb. And wherever you want these little sticks. I'll tell you what, maybe right here, there's a big stone. It hits and just falls over. This is your stream, so you make it go anywhere you want it to go. Surround, play, have fun. Kapoosh. There we go. Let's just put a happy little sky up here. I see dead trees. And there, pick up a little white. See how that lightens it up? Makes all kinds of... There it is. There it is. This will help push everything back. I tell you, maybe we can see. Maybe there's a little bit of a stream we can see. Maybe it just sort of creeps along here, and it lives right there. Pull straight down and lead that. Maybe it just comes right down through here, wherever you want it. Or if you don't want a stream in your world, don't put it in. I'll touch a little with a... Much better. Dark. Very dark. There we go. That's much. Very dark. And very lightly. Just go across. Look at the titanium white. Magic white and titanium white. I'll put the magic white in there just to thin it a little. And maybe the little stream comes right down through here. And it just bounces and plays and bounces and plays and has fun. And all these little things happen. Goes right on down. Tell you what, maybe right here, there's a big stone. It hits, kapoosh, and just falls over. There's another one. And this is your stream, so you make it go anywhere you want it to go. Splashes down here, works right on through. And all these little things happen. And there's always stones that are underneath the water that you really can't even see them, but they cause all kinds of beautiful little things to happen. Your world, anything that you want to do. Okay, yellow, and I just want to just here and there drop in a few more bushes. Tell you what, let's do. I'm going to take another fan brush. Let's put some land in here.
See, I got trouble.
There we are. And I hope you've enjoyed this one. It's a lot of fun. Give you some ideas. Until next week, God bless. Happy painting.
You know I'm a dreamer, but my heart's of gold. I had to run away high, so I wouldn't come home low. Just when things went right, it doesn't mean they were always wrong. Just take this song, and you'll never be left all alone. Take me to your heart, feel me in your bones. Just one more night, and I'm coming on this long winding road. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, home sweet home. Tonight, I'm on my way, I'm on
see dead trees.